In this lesson, we're going to show you how you can add fabric to a design. And I'm just going to zoom in so you can see this a little bit better. We're going to use this full design. This design is composed of a couple of panels and swag sections, cascades, and horns. And you can add fabric to this design without having to take it apart. So in order to add the fabric, I'm going to go up here to my top toolbar, and as you can see, I'm on the default black arrow. That's our normal default design mode. But I'm going to change arrows, and I'm going to go into the second arrow. And whenever you change your arrows, the first thing you want to do is you want to click away. That is, click anywhere on the blank canvas so that nothing is highlighted. After you've clicked away, then you can take your mouse and click on the area of the design that you want to fill. In this case, I've clicked on that panel. Notice that even though this design is fully grouped, by using the second arrow, I can highlight just the piece that I want to work with. So I'm going to go back on to this left panel. Notice that when I go in to highlight the panel, I'm highlighting an area that's plain right here near the edge of the outline of the panel. And I'll do the same thing on the other panel. And I can do the same thing with this left or this right cascade here and the swag sections. So I'm highlighting an area where you don't have detail lines. There. But I want to fill this left panel. So now that I've got it highlighted, if I want to fill it with fabric, I'm going to go over here to my Swatch Library. Now, in the Dream Draper system, we have cashmere swatches and we have Lady Anne swatches. And I'll choose a Lady Anne swatch for this particular example. I'm going to click on this Astra Spiro Gyro. So I click on my fabric swatch and I hit the Apply button. There! Doesn't that look nice? And I can fill multiple parts of this design by highlighting the area, in this case the right panel, and I keep my finger depressed on the Shift key while I highlight another piece, and I can hit the Apply button. And you see, I was able to highlight and apply the fabric to multiple pieces. I could have selected even more of the pieces, but you can fill those designs even though that this design is a full grouped design without having to take it apart. And remember, when you're done filling your design with fabric or color, just remember to go back up to your top toolbar and go back to your normal default mode, which is the black arrow. And every time that you change arrows, make sure that you click away. You click on the blank canvas so that nothing is highlighted. And our next lessons will show you how you can add your own custom fabrics to the Swatch Library, and we'll tell you how to add that contrast color to areas of lining and trim.